Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here with another quick project share, Christmas projects. Um, my sweet friend Leafa had sent me some Happy Mail, and in it she included some of these little, I don't think they're burlap bags. I'm not sure what they are, but they're sweet little gift bags, and I wanted to alter some so that when I send out some Christmas Happy Mail, I have something to put little things in. So if you saw my video of the door hangers, these are more of the images from that the page I found on Pinterest. So here's a Santa, and it says Merry Christmas to you. And I did these really quick. They're really easy. I just added the image and I put a box pleated trim around there. I put a couple of little pieces of dangle, and this is an applique that I cut in half so that I could put it on each side with these little pieces here as flowers and some rhinestones. And these don't take long at all. The only thing I would say, if you're new to making altering bags, what you would want to do is put something in there. I'll just show you quick, because I put a piece of cardboard in there. You want to put a piece in there so that when you glue, it doesn't glue it together, and then you can't open it. So that's my tip of the day, I guess, for you newbies. So there's the first one. And then this one, which says Christmas greetings, and it's a little boy, and he's pulling the sled, I think, of his little sister. I'm going to say that. And there's a Christmas tree. And I used a trim to go around it, and then I put this rolled rose trim on top, and then a couple more little dangle pieces. They're just little snippets. That's all it takes. A few inches, a few inches going across, and that's it. So there's that one. And then here's the next image, and it just says Merry Christmas, and it looks like a little doll. And I added a couple of more dangles. I tried to make each one as different as I could. And then here's an applique piece and some little flowers that I made from some trims with the clay flowers. And then the last one is this one here. And I think I hid down here. It says Merry Christmas, but it got hidden. But this is so cute. Another little boy and girl. And I went around the image with this little trim here, and I had some leaf trim that went underneath, and then here's a flower applique with my clay flowers and the little flowers, and then a couple more dangle snippets, and that's it. So now I have some little bags for when I want to put something in there for somebody for Christmas. So if you'd like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't be afraid to try them, because like I said, they're very quick and easy, and all you need is little pieces of appliques and little pieces of dangle or any kind of trim that hangs down. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you again soon with another video. Bye for now.